too much salt can quietly damage your heart without you even realizing it. But what if a few small changes could protect your heart for life? Welcome to Healthy World, where we give you powerful natural tools to live a longer, stronger, and healthier life. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked threats to your health: sodium. It's essential in small amounts, but too much of it? That's a silent killer. High sodium intake is directly linked to high blood pressure, one of the top risk factors for heart disease and stroke. The WHO estimates that over 2 million people die each year because of excess sodium. Before we go further, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who cares about their heart health. So, how much sodium is safe? Experts recommend staying below 2,300 milligrams a day, ideally 500 milligrams. But most of us are consuming over 3,400 milligrams daily, mostly from processed and packaged foods. Want to reduce your sodium intake? Start by reading food labels carefully. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients. Swap salt for herbs, garlic, lemon, and spices like cumin or turmeric. Be careful with sauces, condiments, and takeout. These are often loaded with hidden salt. Ask for dressings on the side, skip the bread basket, and choose grilled or steamed dishes when dining out. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. It helps your body flush out excess sodium naturally. By making simple changes, you can take control of your sodium intake and protect your heart in the process. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Healthy World. Let's make smart choices today for a healthier tomorrow. Your heart will thank you.